rainbow stretched across the sky, colors painted by your hand, a promise written after storms, a covenant that still remains. While the world was lost in sin, you made a way through grace again. And long before we called your name, you loved us first. After the rain, your mercy remains. Morning by morning, your faithfulness stays. Sun and the moon, seasons in tune, all creation sings that your promises are true. After the rain, hope rises again. Jesus, forever, your love remains. The tides still answer to your voice. Stars still shine at your